pretty for a monster. I'm usually, I don't know if I excel at it, but I think I do okay when I do jagged teeth. Kind of have to. There we go. Okay, there we go. Now we're cooking. I don't know that we're cooking fast, but let's see. All right, we're at the 10-minute mark. Let's bring this up to 15 minutes and then we're going to give it a break. I think I'm going to be running out of juice pretty soon on the camera side and power. And I forgot my charging cable, so I can't use my portable power pack. Isn't that the way? And it's a rainy, cold Saturday afternoon. Perfect time to be at a cafe drawing and doing these how I do what I do tutorials. This is going to be, I think it's supposed to be a fleshy side. Now shadows will fall here, but we're going to make sure that we itemize this outer area as the flesh of the gums that is showing. See? Okay. And then the curvature of the upper lip. I didn't want a uniform lip, to be honest. Okay, let's check the time. Where are we? All right, well, we got 3 minutes to go, folks. Let's see. We're going to do the top here. It's hard to do this jagged edge with jagged teeth with these really solid leads and these solid metal holders for the pencil lead. But I can work it. I can do this. I believe in me. Come on now. Maybe I'm having a chorus in my head singing, yelling, "Yes, you can do it. You can do it. You can do it." Nah, I'm just trying not to feel myself mess this up. Although again, I'm fond of saying that mistakes will be made, and I will own up to them each and every single time, because to err is human and to forgive divine. Old saying. Alright, let me find all my materials to the side here. We don't need those strenuous extra lines. Alright. Sometimes if the edge is sharp enough. Here we go. Yeah, I think I'll be able to do it. There we go in. Sorry about the background noise. I'm in a cafe, obviously. And they're crunching down the coffee beans. It should be over in a second. There we go. A little sharpness to those teeth. So we know that Try not to make too many of these. I do want these sharp lines, so that means like a sharp corner that I was trying to avoid, but I'll work on that just a little bit. Okay, sorry for the dead air time, but sometimes I get lost in what I'm doing. This is my therapy, something like that. Definitely has art has definitely saved me over the years in multiple ways. Hopefully, it'll do the same for you if you're starting out with art or you've been at it for a while. Don't give up. Don't be discouraged. What you did today that you may not like, you can do tomorrow just a little bit better. And 365 days from now, you'll do it 365 days, 365 times better, is what I meant to say. Corny, perhaps, but true nonetheless. Anything worth doing is worth practicing for. Always bear that in mind. Alright, that's coming out a little bit better than what it used to be. Let's see. Alright, we're at the time mark, 16 minutes. Alright, folks, I want to thank you very much. This is Right Life Draw. Please leave a comment if you like. Share the video with someone that you know or a complete stranger. Either one is fine with me. And who knows, maybe you'll make a new acquainted friend that way. And by all means, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell on the way out. Give it that thumbs up. Don't forget to come back and visit the channel on the next episode. On the next upcoming episodes. All right. Thank you very kindly. And as always, I will see you all on the next one.